Understanding, Stay Muted, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stay muted. This phrase is commonly used in our digital world, especially during online meetings or classes. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it correctly. Stay muted is a phrase that combines two words, stay and muted. To understand it, we need to look at each word. Stay means to remain in a particular state or position. Muted refers to the state where the sound is turned off or made quieter. So, stay muted means to keep your microphone off or remain silent during an online interaction. It's a request or instruction often used in virtual meetings to prevent background noise and ensure that the speaker can be heard clearly. This phrase is particularly relevant in online settings. You might hear it in online meetings, where a presenter asks participants to stay muted unless they have a question. During webinars, where the host might ask attendees to stay muted to avoid interruptions. In online classes, where a teacher may instruct students to stay muted during a lecture. To use this phrase, you can simply say, "Please stay muted during the presentation," or "I'll ask everyone to stay muted until the Q&A session." In different cultures, the way of requesting silence varies. In a more formal or professional setting, stay muted is a polite yet firm way of ensuring order. In informal settings, it might be less commonly used. Understanding the context is key. Being aware of when to speak and when to stay muted in virtual settings is an important part of digital etiquette. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, stay muted. Remember, it's a simple yet essential phrase in our online interactions. I hope this video helps you navigate your next online meeting or class more confidently. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English language tips.